Today's video, I have the May Look Fantastic box. Let's get her open. Hi there guys, I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic today. I'm sorry I haven't been around much. I'm hoping this month to get back on track. I can't get this box open. Oh, there we go, that's what it looks like. It's not a box, we have a bag this month. Very interesting. But yeah, this month I am planning to be normal back. Yeah, so this is what we have. This costs £15 per month. The longer you subscribe, the cheaper it gets. So for instance, I think for the 12-month subscription, it's like, is it £13? Something like that. I'll link it down below in the information box and the comment box. If you click that link, I can't remember if there's a code or not, but all the information is down there. You'll get £5 off your first box, which is an absolute steal. And this is what we have. So we don't have an edit card in here, and they have followed suit with Glossy Box, and we have a little card with a QR codey thing on there that we're gonna have to scan. Let's get scanning. While I am scanning this as well, if you would like to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Let's have a look there. So this edit is called Go Anywhere with Beauty, and here we are there. So let's have a little look-see at what we are going to be playing with. The first product we have is this. So this is by Elemis, so fantastic brand, and this is the Rehydrating Ginseng Toner. There's 50 mils in here and it's worth £10. Let's make that bigger because I'm blind as a bat. A luxurious and smooth and gentle toner that helps tighten the look of enlarged pores, infused with Korean ginseng, sweet Betty flower and quadrilla wood. I've said that wrong, I do apologise. Perfect for those prone with dry skin. It drenches your skin's base with its hydration it's craving, whilst locking in moisture for a long lasting softness. Apply every morning and evening after cleansing. Dab 2 to 3 drops under a cotton pad and gently wipe over the face and neck. Lovely. I actually have this in my drawer. I haven't used it yet, so I'm really glad to get another one because hello, it's Elemis. So yeah, even though it's like a deluxe size, it's 50 mils, it's gonna last a little while, and what a great brand to get in the Look Fantastic box. Second product we have is this. So this is by the brand Sol de Janeiro, and it's Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. There's 20 mils in here and it has a value of £10. This forever favourite body cream provides skin with a boost of hydration for smoother and sumptuously, I can't even say that, soft sheen and firm finish. The body cream will leave your skin feeling and smelling irresistible. Massage in circular motions to create warmth for skin soaking. This can be used for all over body, day or night. So fantastic. I do have one of these. Again, I haven't got around to using it, but it does smell lovely, and I can't open this one. It is sealed, and even though it's sealed, I'm not going to open it. You can kind of still smell that, and guys, it really does smell absolutely gorgeous. Let's just put that lid back on. Yeah, again, wow, really good product. Third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Ultra Sun, and it is lip protection. It's SPF 30 and it is worth £8. Shield and protect the lips from cracking and damage caused by UV rays in hot or cold temperatures with this lip balm. Infused with blackcurrant seed oil, rich in omega-3 and 6 for intense moisturization. This versatile product sits perfectly under lipstick, making it a great choice for everyday wear, whatever the weather. Apply it directly to your lips throughout the day as required. Can be used on the nose and ears as well to give them protections. Yeah, that's great, absolutely great. I'm going to leave this sealed because I am going on holiday in a month's time, and I think I'm going to take this with me. I am going on a cruise, baby, Portugal Spain cruise, and I can't wait. But yeah, That's something I must admit I do forget about, my lips, when it comes to SPF. The fourth item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Invisibobby, and it is a scrunchy spiraled hair ring scrunchie. Okay, there's two variations in here. You can get this colour here, or there's a pink stripy one that you can get. Dressed up in a soft scrunchy fabric, the brand's traditional spiral hair ring delivers a traceless and hair caring hold that lasts. Fun and functional, it's unique, ultra comfortable, shape prevents headaches and kinks. I don't know, I still get hair kinks when using them, if I am 100% honest. But yeah, just wrap around your hair for a strong hold. Right, let's open this up. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, you can feel the little wire thing inside there. It feels lovely and soft. Feels very nice, very, very nice indeed. So the fifth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Maui, and it's Moisture, Nourish and Moisturise Coconut Milk Shampoo. There's 100 mils in here, and it has a worth of £3.20, so really affordable. The light and creamy shampoo is infused with weightless coconut milk along with shea guava oil and mango butter. Use this lightweight blend daily without the fear of build-up, and give your hair a natural healthy glow and shine. Coconut, absolutely love coconut. Let's have a smell. Yes, I'm in my little coconut heaven right here. Fabulous. This is a brand I have not tried yet actually, so yeah, I'll have to do a little video on it, because product number 6, we have a matching conditioner, guys. Wow, 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 I love a matching set. So obviously by the same brand, Moisture, Nourish, Moisture Coconut Milk Conditioner, 100 mils, has the same value of £3.20. It just says, like this shampoo, its deeply nourishing conditioner is also infused with coconut milk along with shea guava oil and mango butter, making them perfect for the hair. It can be used daily to give you a glossy shine to your mane. Yeah, cool. Leave it in your hair for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse. So I can't tell you how happy I am to get a set. That is so cool, so cool. Obviously it's going to smell the same, but I have to sniff it. Oh my god, it's so good. Absolute perfect size to travel with, so it goes with the theme of the box bag. Perfect. And obviously there's kind of like a 7th product here as well. We have the bag that it comes in too, which is nice. Obviously it's just see-through with the orange detail in and the Look Fantastic brand name on there too. Definitely going to come in useful. Guys, so this is the May Look Fantastic box. This edit is called Go Anywhere with Beauty. What do you think? Personally, I feel this is a really good box by Look Fantastic. Thank God. The brands in there are amazing. Elemis, hello, Solid Janeiro, that's brilliant. Really happy to get the SPF lip protector. The bobble's okay, it's definitely going to come in handy, and the matching shampoo and conditioner with my favourite scent, coconut, so it's a win-win for me. But yeah, thoroughly think this box is good. It's the best box that Look Fantastic have done for a while, personally, I think. And I am certainly gonna enjoy the contents of this. What do you think? Comment down below with your thoughts. If you are not subscribed to it, click the link down below. You'll get a £5 off your first box. But yeah, that kind of concludes this video. Tongue-tied. I'll see you in the next one. Remember to hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up button. Bye.